Equals and I'm running away from this crazy monster. Oh my god, help! Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa! No, combat! Oh my god. Oh my god. That was scary. It's just monster in combat. Equals, that's me. Stay determined. I will. Power of determination. Oh my god, I cannot. Jeez, man. Just suddenly monster. Wow. Dang. That was an exciting opening, wasn't it? I'm exciting. Yeah. Combat. No, your watery lances will not harm me, foul creature. Dang it. Oh. Whoa! Oh my god. Run. Whoa. Combat. Oh lord. Taking major hits. Run. It just puts it back down. God, that was intense though. Run, little me, run. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. Never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? You were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry, I'm sure we'll see you again. Oh my god, you fall on your face again, you freaking psycho little kid. Oh, nice. What is this? This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak. Okay. Knowledge the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the magical crystal. Fills you with determination. The mouse is the true MVP of this story. Yo, dude, Sans. I'm thinking about getting into a telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Thanks, bud. It's nothing. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Mother! Check in, mate. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? I am. Thank you, I am. And the ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. Don't even have 31. Relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for an ice cream. They're sure to get customers to come back. Now just 25G. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. You got an ice cream. An ice cream. It's a frozen treat that warms your heart. 25G. Give me another. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. You got the ice cream. An ice cream. It's a frozen treat. Warms your heart. 25G. Yep. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. You got an ice cream. Take a card. All games must end one day. You got a punch card. Box contains 2 cards. Take a card. You got a punch card. Box contains 1 card. Zzz, take a card. Got a punch card. Yo, bro, give me my... Hey, you got 3 punch cards. How about redeeming them for some ice cream? It's free, girl. You lost 3 cards and got an ice cream. Alright, let me get this, Super spiffy! HP was maxed out. Nice. Ice cream? Good shit. What's the stuff? Oh, I remember. You go away. I have a oh my god, I hit it again in my rush! Yo, this is creepy. Can I go down here? You know what I missed? The spider bake sale. God, it's Duck! Hello, Duckness, my old friend. Yo, this some creepy, glowy, weirdo stuff. Like, what? Hello? You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? Passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. No wishes are stupid, except if you wish for 1,000 combats. A 1,000 combats. It's true. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? We've got the ballet shoes. Can I equip the ballet shoes? Equip the ballet shoes. Don't wish for 1,000 combats, people. Wish for one mortal combat. Works way better. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, a friend who wanted to know. Her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you knew that already, and because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. Bandana, because I knew, of course. After such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. That way you're safe, and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with anyone is easy. Click. I'm wearing ballet shoes now, motherfucker. Should I take off the bandana? I think that would be a good idea, right? Shit, I have a hard time. Equals weapon. Oh, my weapons. Interesting weapon ballet. Combat! Oh man. This mofo. $25 gold. Hot diggity dog. Damn! You're passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on. I promise I won't laugh. I really want to know this guy's wish now. Anyone else? Is it just me? It's probably just me. Everyone's like, we played Undertale 1,000,000 times. We know what the wish is. Take their souls. This is the power that humans fear. Blah, 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 blah. I'm too filled with determination to have my soul taken. Oh, crap. This looks like another... Wait, what the heck? Oh. What are those? Hey, there. Noticed you were, here. Onion-san, you here? Get the stupidest fucking face. Bye. Wait, can I... You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too! Can we... Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did. It's great. I'm gonna go now, and the aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, That's okay though, you hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? I just go. Hey there. Hey, it's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. In Waterfall! My voice died. I'm kidding, my voice is fine. Actually, it died a little bit though. Combat! Sharon hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyway. You smile. Yes, Sharon smile, too. Sharon gets quieter. In the corner. Aaron nods his head approvingly. Oh no! Oh no, they're heat-seeking! You hum a sad song. Sharon follows your melody. Sorry. Oh lord! He's much more comfortable now. You keep smiling, but nothing happened. Oh, Lord Almighty. You're spared. 30 golds. The northern room hides a great treasure. Well, let's check it out. There's a piano here. Play it. Yes. One thing song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. I want to meet that shit was this? Monster dies, its soul disappears, and incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. Only one exception, the soul of a special species monster called a boss monster. Boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death, if only for a few moments. A human could absorb this soul, but it has never happened, and now it never will. It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. I'm gonna take more than one. Take an umbrella. That's nice. Yo! You got an umbrella? Awesome. Let's go. Dude, you are literally not under the umbrella. Like, that's a problem. This is nice, isn't it? It's nice. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Dude, it's kind of morbid. It's rain. I really wish I would have known. Was it the tune that the thingy said? So one time we had a school project where we take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer. Volunteered to donate his own flowers. Ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking. Yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school so she could beat up all the teachers? Shit, man. Yeah, beat up your teachers. I have no respect for the low income, incredibly intelligent, went through college to teach your. Sorry, anyways. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you wanna see Undyne, right? I'm on my shoulders. I got you, bro. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. Oh my god, you fell down? No! That guy's face is smashed the hell in. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. Sorry. The sound of muffled rain in the cave top. It fills you with determination. 155 minutes. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful, and us monsters too weak. Not even a single soul was taken, and countless monsters returned to dust. I'm sorry? What are those? Uh-oh. Spirit. No! Combat! These are actually a bit easier to avoid. Mother! Mother! Heck! Oh, I should just stay where I was. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Knock! Combat! I'm gonna die. Knock! No! Damn. Damn, son. I can definitely do this. I can do it. I will stay determined. My name is Equals. Like, if I had WASD, man. But I don't. I gotta use these little arrow keys. Maybe I can do it with my right hand. Yeah. This is gonna hurt my fingers. I'm just using my left hand now, which is more used to. Oh, snap, it's Undyne! Oh! Knock! Ah! In Osnapola. No! I want to do it the whole time. My voice just killed me. It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, and I can't get up. Life alert! Haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Equals, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Oh. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Yes! These brands are garbage. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling to the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination. Well, trash zone here, apparently. Let your hand on the rusted bike. Its horn wheezes a honk of despair. A beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. It's a cooler. It has no brand and shows no signs of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Yes. You got the astronaut food. Take a space food bar? Yes. You got the astronaut food. The cooler. Oh. It's a DVD case for anime. Desperate claw marks cover the edges. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? You stare until he edges his eyes for a moment. Had enough of the dummy. Oh snap. Haha, too intimidated to fight me, huh? I am the ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat. The things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful. Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Ow, dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic. Hey, you! Forget I said anything about magic. Talk to the dummy. Doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Oh good lord. Oh good lord. Smells like clothing store. You talk to the dummy. Doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with it. You're sold across the barrier. That's kind of... That dummy's bossing around the buses. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Mad dummy is bossing around its bullets. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Mad dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much. No one is happy with this. This seems so meta. Oh lord. Mad dummy is getting cotton just all over. Talk to the dummy. It doesn't say much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Mad dummy is getting cotton. Wait, is it? Okay, it's not losing health. I would want to kill it. I mean, that's just... You talk to the dummy. Doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Foolish. Foolish, foolish! If you attack my vessel, you never hurt me. I'm still incorporeal, you dummy. Wait, is a dummy a compliment? Feudal, feudal! What, like your face? Bad dummy is getting cotton all over it. Talk to the dummy. He doesn't... Okay, what do I do to continue this fight? Hey guys! Oh lord! Dummies, dummies, dummies! Remember how I said not to shoot me well? Failures, you're all fired. You're all being replaced. Now you'll see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage. Mechanic. Oh lord! Nice! That was difficult though. Mad dummies. Dang! No way. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends. I've got no— oh lord! I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter, you can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me forever. 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 Oh shit, what are those? Acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Whoop. Off to stage right. Oh, buddy! Sorry I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys look like you're having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no! No, I forget his name, but I'm gonna call him ZZ Top. Feel free to come with if you want, but no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. No, dude, I want to see your house. It sounds badass. Restaurant food, your HP was maxed out. Hey, my house is up here, in case you wanted to see, or in case you don't. You feel a calming tranquility. You're filled with determination! Oh, you really came. Sorry. I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. Oh, that's a TV. There's a show I like to watch on it, sometimes. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Yes! You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Oh, never mind. After a great meal like that, I lay on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't move, so only move around when you want to get up. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing forum. You don't care. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a bake sale on it. This CD is labeled Ghouladay Music. Play it. CD is labeled Spookwave. Play it. The CD is labeled Spooktunes. Play it. Oh, a classic spook tune. They don't make songs like this anymore. It's labeled Spookwave. Play it. Play it! Dang, that ambience. Whole body is being moved. These labeled Ghouladay Music. Play it, play it. Oh, that's fun. Once you learn the lyrics, it's hard not to sing along. Ooh, ooh. The heck? It's a snail. For some reason, can't help but wonder what it tastes like. Snail, snail. A long journey extends in front of you. Snail, snail. Reach far and stretch beyond the horizon. Snail, snail. So snail is Sambu. Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to the Bluke family snail farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to be a great lot of business. Our main customer did— oh, fuck. Now you're making me sad. No, it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. That was Torio. You've been long overdue for a second house. Snails counting dollar bills. Dollar bills! You want to play a game called Thunder Snail. The snails will race. If the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10G to play. Okay, press Z repeatedly to encourage your snail ready. Oh, it looks like you encourage a snail too much. All that pressure to succeed really got to her. Oh. You wanna play again? It's calm. Well, I'm gonna see what happens if I don't encourage the snail. This is like the most intense game ever. Let's see the results. Ready, set,